I love it.
Yes.
But that's it.
I like it a lot. Dude, that cannot be our thing. That someone burps at every video. It cannot.
I can't help it.
It's okay. Maybe we shouldn't be having these drinks.
I didn't even mean for that to come out. That's the worst thing.
The thing that makes me laugh is that it dragged. Like, it was like bloody hell.
Okay, you'll go.
We should have a burp count. Because I've only done it once. So you've done it like, what, 3 times?
Well, once recorded.
Plenty more off book.
Oh god. Okay, you'll go.